Viewers, I hope that everybody are well. Now I will show how to work our handwriting project. This is our web interface. At first I refresh our web interface. Now I will upload the various types of handwriting image. So let's go. At first I upload this image, convert it to the text. Now I upload another one. It's check regular, converted into the text. Bilbo regular, already converted to the text. And there are various types of handwriting I collected from the internet. Some different type of patterns are here. This is the another pattern. This pattern looks like a little boy's handwriting. Now I will upload it and successfully convert it to the text. Already converted to the text. So our handwriting project is running as well. Thanks for watching. This is our course oriented project. Goodbye.